Guarany's 1.2 litre compression sprayer, also known as the Duck, comes with a 12-month warranty. The handle is very comfortable during operation and makes filling the sprayer an easy process. To fill the sprayer, simply unscrew the lid for access to the sprayer's large, easy-to-fill inlet. The spraying trigger has a simple push-down function. By adjusting the spray tip, you can alter the spray pattern from a jet to a fine mist. The compression design allows for a continuous, unbroken spray which lasts for 2 minutes, ensuring that no areas are missed. This multi-purpose sprayer is very robust and suitable for a huge range of household, garden and DIY tasks. It also has Viton seals which can withstand harsh fluids such as cleaning chemicals, household disinfectants, herbicides and many more. When compared to a typical handheld sprayer, the design of the Duck proves to be more convenient and safer for the user. Features such as the handle, which other standard sprayers lack, make the sprayer easier to hold, and this reduces the risk of chemicals spilling onto the skin when filling. In terms of pump mechanisms, unlike typical handheld sprayers, the Duck offers high resistance to harsh chemicals, courtesy of the Viton seals, and can be in operation for longer periods of time with its large Guarany pump and induction tube. Lastly, the pump arms are noticeably different, with the Duck offering a higher quality and more heavy-duty design. The thin metal pump arms on typical sprayers also tend to slip down after being extended, whereas the pump arm on the Duck remains solidly extended.